Hi there, welcome to another video on Vibe Code Wiki, where I document my Vibe Code expeditions, including struggles, discoveries, no edits. So in this video, we're going to take a quick look at Arena all over again. I believe this is one of the most interesting AI project for those who want to start building, you want to experiment with programming, generating AI videos, all for free, by the way. This is the most interesting project for that. And I'll show you why very quickly. So here it says it has battle mode, battle to anonymous models. Then there is side-by-side mode, compare two models of your choice. Then there is direct mode, chat with one model at a time. Now, the logic behind this is for any AI task that you have, if you're in battle mode, it will generate based on two randomly selected models. You wouldn't know which it is, and then you can learn from that. It will give you two results at a time. You'll be able to compare the results and also vote to intimate it on, the crowd sentiment on which model is best. And then it reveals the models that created which. Interesting stuff. That's battle mode. Now, just before this video, I decided to experiment it for creating videos. We all know how expensive it is to create videos using AI. Well, that's resolved now because you can create videos using the best models out there using Arena. And in the last, just before this video, I gave it this prompt just to experiment if it's really working, and it's just marveling what it created. I was in battle mode and I said a goat with a mask eating an onion, and I wish I could play this video with the associated audio. Even the sound of crunching onion is there. This video is 11 minutes long, and basically from what I've seen from both videos, based on the prompt, I would choose 1, 2. I'm sure it's likely a very cheap model compared to Runway, but did better, clearer video, the associated sound just perfect, and you can download this video. Interesting, and it's not a very short video. This is 11 seconds long. Let me mute, let me just play it. I don't know if my PC will record the sound. Okay, this is 11 seconds long, and I didn't know what model was going to be revealed. I'm just learning of one for the first time. So on the basis of this knowledge, when you are building, you can tell your AI agent, for example, that, oh, see if there is, we can incorporate the one model. What do you need from me? Considering that you now know, it's standard when it comes to video creation. And I believe it did better than this one. This appears to have a mask. Oh, this did good because I didn't realize that it had a mask, but the mask is not so prominent. And this video is around 9 seconds long. You can also download this video. So imagine having two results for one prompt. You have two videos to use on your social media, for example, as powerful as can be. And this applies even for coding. In fact, this can do everything. Everything. You want carousels for TikTok, you want automation, it can in fact perform it. Code, I've experimented with it for code. I would likely do another video about that. Web search, let's see what you can. Okay, this is for image, so let's see what here. The prompts may be shared publicly. Okay, for code, I've experimented with it. Say you want to build a dashboard, a clone of yourself, wow, e-commerce. This is interesting. Let me experiment. I don't know if how long it will take. So let's say slider gallery. Let's just pick this one. So you see, this is battle mode, by the way. So it's going to pick any random one. If you want to actually select the model that you'll be using the side-by-side option. But let's just wait a bit and see what it will build. The code is also available to you, and this is all free. I don't think anything beats this for anyone starting. Considering if you were to, apply this in reality, you would pay a lot. Now, among the model are even the topmost models. I believe Claude is there. The highest model of GPT, OpenAI, and all that. I believe they are all there. let me see if we can just discover that. I'll just open another. So let's go side by side here. Okay. So you see, okay, side by side, you see this is for code. So it appears to specialize the LLM with the choice of what you want to build. So you see it has Gemini 3 Pro. Wow, I would do a lot with this. And there is nothing about pricing here, all free. All you have to do is vote, so that it knows the general, the global sentiments or on which models is better. So text, let's see, it has Claude Opus, it has ChatGPT 5.2 latest search. I've never tried Grok. I may have. So interesting stuff here. Let's see if there's any result yet. Now it's a bit sluggish, I would assume so, but that should be expected. So I'll just wait a bit. Hopefully within this video we're able to showcase what the result is and the associated model. Hopefully. Let's just wait a bit, then we'll end the video. Yes, and I'm advancing in my OpenClaw setup. Just amazing stuff. So I set up OpenClaw for the first time. I put it up as a conservative polymarket agent. It's been successful with that so far. And then I found a freelancer platform for AI agents, and I put it up as an agent on that platform. The platform is called ClawLancer, and it already got its first earning. The platform is not popular, by the way, but it found an open gig and it rendered the service very simple to earn its first 0.01 cents. So imagine when I find a more popular platform with so many gigs and all that, and I have it registered there, running 24/7. So let's see, bankroll 9.9. This started at $8. It's now at 9.9. Then it also posts to Moldsbook. So there's a social media platform like Reddit and it posts there. It also built me a dashboard to track polymarket events. Here the agent is hanging. Let me wait for the timeout. Moldsbook 0. So it's also tracking Moldsbook interactions. Okay, so this is running on its own computer, and stuff like that via VPS. Otherwise, if you have a computer, you can also run it there. Interesting stuff. So let's come back here. Wow. So we may have to wait till the next video for me to show option B. Let's see option B. Wow. This is looking good. So range selector with personality, the UI here is looking good, but it's going to have to wait for the first this one to end to show what has been used. I'm interested in seeing both side by side and seeing which model was used for which. Based on the clarity here, you would assume Claude, but who knows? You may be shocked that other models are better. This already has a URL, interestingly, so it hosts it already. So this already has a URL. I believe if you share this URL, others can view it. Now we can also use this as benchmark for speed. I wouldn't know, it depends. Maybe option B is building with the UI is less complex, so it could build on time, or it may just be faster. You never know. So let's see. Let's just wait to see if we can reveal the result. You'd see that time is a factor here. So here, this one is 5 minutes. So it's taking account of time. Let's hide this. No. Oh gosh, I would have liked to show it. Let's just wait a bit more. And if it's not, if it doesn't complete, we'll end the video. Explore custom gradients, distinct thumbnails. Interestingly, if you don't like the result, you can just refresh here, I think, and it will generate something else, I would assume, or maybe, yes. I don't think this will complete. Let's see this. Imports. This one is looking like Claude to me. This one I don't know. Export. So, well, you get the gist. Let's just end this video now. Don't forget to subscribe to Vibe Code Wiki, and if you need to contact me, you would find avenues to do so in the description. There are also a bunch of other relevant tools in the description as well. Let's end this video here. I'd likely do a dedicated video for this, for the coding side. And at least we have another tool that you can explore for free. The best agents out there. Stay awesome. Take action.